Yeah. So going out of stock that we have discussed is a main or most important reason to spoil your ranking of your keywords, and again spend the same amount of launch, again spend a lot higher than the initial in ACOS, and basically those are losses that you have to incur if you go out of stock. So basically just think of this: you have managed to rank well, you are in stock, you are selling 10 units a day, and then ultimately after 7 days you are out of stock. Amazon wants to make money. They will put some other products in front of your listing in your place, in your ranking positions where your keywords were ranked. Another product will be there, and if he sticks to not go out of stock, he will stay for a longer time until you can beat him. You are out of stock for 7 days, your rank went from 600 to 2000, 3000, 5000. Your keywords went from first page to third page, fourth page, sixth page. Again, you have to push those keywords through PPC. Now this time you are not into honeymoon period. Amazon is going to charge you more because you have to drive all the traffic by paying Amazon. Amazon will not give you organic traffic now. That Amazon gives during honeymoon period because Amazon wants data in the first phase. Okay. So make sure you do not go out of stock. If you're making all these mistakes, then just ask yourself this question: am I not understanding the budget calculation? Am I only placing my budget based on the initial order? Am I not able to understand the ranking process? Am I selling the same exact product that my competitor is selling and just competing against prices? If my competitor is reducing price, I am reducing price. Am I compromising on the prices? Am I compromising on the quality because I'm getting cheap price for the cheap quality and I can make more profit? But you can't make more profit if you're selling lower price product. Give them the customer what they deserves. Okay. Compromising on product quality and bleeding